Welcome to the Etsy Fast Track Academy. My name is Jody Johnson and I am the co-owner of it along with Jenny Rock. I wanted to give you just a really quick overview of what's inside. This is an amazing course designed to be done in 30 days. Of course, you can do it as slower as long as you want, but there is so much in here. You can see creating, designing products, SEO and listing optimization, launching your shop, support and troubleshooting, scaling and next steps, plus an entire 12-week course for Etsy sellers on AI, how to help you grow your shop, optimize for SEO, research products, all in there. Each week, we're going to be doing a live office hours inside of school where you can just click on the link and join us. Inside the community will be discussions. There will be a thread for AI Academy and an accountability thread where Jenny, our resident accountability expert, is going to keep you motivated during that 4 weeks to get your product, your Etsy shop up and running and get those products listed. We are also going to, once you have set your shop up, besides for the live weekly office hours, we are going to move you into our Etsy Success Mastermind coaching group that meets weekly for 60 days for free included in this program. Not only that, we're also going to, once you have your shop set up and you have launched, we're going to give you a personalized shop audit that either Jenny or myself will do and record it and send it to you so you know exactly where you are when you start your shop. And then there's more. Besides for that, as I mentioned, this AI Academy is a 12-week coaching course that is valued at almost $300, and we're going to give it to you for free. Any questions? Feel free to reach out to me. Again, my name is Jody, and I hope to see you on the inside.